Go check. You go check. Wait.
Tayo ng bigat. Bato.
Alright guys, good morning again guys. Today's what, Wednesday morning. Yeah. See, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go and check. Those guys are fishing right now. They're doing, like, you know, yeah, they're fishing outside. See if they catch a fish. Yep, we just you know, while we're here, just gonna enjoy the thing now, our time here, or days, while we're still here in Akitan. So I got my fishing pole outside also, you know, right by the DC locker, and those guys are already outside and try to catch some fish. So we have food or something to eat maybe tonight. If we don't catch anything, then well, sorry, just gonna go outside and eat in the galley, the trident plant. So yeah, all right, I'll see you guys outside. Fishing time. Try to catch some fish. For dinner. Fish on. All right. No bite yet, no bite. All right, here we are. Try to catch our food for today and tomorrow. There's my fishing pole. Check what how's Jay is doing. Oh yeah, get it.
Coffee.
There's Jay.
Coffee
while
fishing.
Try to catch our own food for tonight, for today and tomorrow, the next day, the following day.
Hopefully we catch some
Bullhead.
Jollibee.
Ron? You go check. Wait. Huh? Basura?
Sumamalik na tayo basura. Mapaitan na yun. Ay, ano to?
Bato
ba yan? Ay, ang bigat yan. Ay, ang bato. Ay, ang bigat. Bato.
Hey, it's a rockfish.
Rock. It's a rock, man. It's a rock. A rock. Utang inang rock.
That's a nice one, man.
Utang inang rock. It's a rock. It's a rock. a prank!
That's a nice one, man. It's a rockfish.
It's a real.
Rock is real.
It's the real rock, brother.
Ah. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's a rockfish.
Tapos lagyan mo ng clickbait, man.
Huh?
Post mo.
I know, huh? Ah.
Kanina puro rockfish. Ngayon, rock na lang.
Rock. Rockfish. Rock with a dildo. Oh. Alright, nice one. No luck? No luck. Squid?
Padlock meron. Ito, sabit.
Padlock? Sabit.
Malamig na.
Aaron, go get your rockfish. Go get your rockfish, Aaron. Oh. Squid. You sold your line.
Ha? Alayo, men.
Nice fish. Bullhead. Yan, yan. Ang laki.
Tingnan natin kaya wala linisan doon, no?
Fillet.
Kumagat agad mo.
Oh yeah? Try it. Huh? First catch of the day.
Ganda din, men.
Huh?
Wala, mga kasama iba. Malit din.
Tilapia.
Tingnan mo.
Alright, first catch of the day. Bullhead. Big fish, big fish. Watch, 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 watch. Where's it? Where's it? There you go.
Ooh.
Big fish right there.
Ooh.
Big fish right there.
Uy. Uy.
Big fish right there.
Ah. Ah, look at that.
What's that? What's that? Rockfish?
It's a rockfish.
It's a rockfish?
It's a rockfish.
Oh man. It's a rockfish. Oh, it's a rock. It's a real rock. Right there. Oh man.
You there, man, you there.
There you are.
Oh,
Rockfish. It's a rock.
that's a rockfish, man.
No, that's a real rockfish. Oh no.
Really rock.
That's it's a real rockfish. Rockfish. Got my line all over. Holy crap, this is what we catch here in Akutan. Why not fish? Oh, something moving in here. Look at this one's moving. This one's alive. on, move, buddy. Big fish, big fish.
So, hindi namin pinag-isatan.
Time to go eat. Dinner time, dinner time. Lasing yata to ah. For you, eh?
Let's go eat.
Finish with
What?
the sopa. Pollo.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
We're waiting for you outside here.
Oh,
Where's
I finished the project.
Oh, what
I just
project?
finished the project. Yeah. Well, it's done.
What project? So yeah, we finished our dinner, and the rest of the boys, they went in shower. Yeah, good thing that it's not raining today. Hopefully it's not gonna rain tomorrow, because we're planning to go walk around in a village. Yep, this is heading to the boat. Hello, Independence. Ay, ay, ay. This is our life here in Akitan.